Are you videotaping that? I don't know what he's out. Occasionally get one. Oh, I think she wants some action here too. She wants to know what he's doing. Got another visitor here.
Wiggle your head.
I don't know. What's he doing? I gotta see it. You gotta show me this, because I have no clue what he's doing. It feels like somebody's running their fingers through your hair, but every once in a while it's like somebody going dink on the top of your head. You gotta show me this, because I have no clue what he's doing. And what's real? It's just, Peanut doesn't like that he's doing this. You know? Peanut's not happy about this. Let me see the video.